Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Make sure you are annotating while you are reading. You can pause the video at any point. Lightning Strikes by Charlene Brousseau. The only difference between a lightning bolt and the small spark that jumps between your hand and a metal doorknob after you scuff across a rug is size. Both happen when electrical charges build up and suddenly discharges. What is lightning? Lightning begins inside thunderstorms. Updrafts of air lift raindrops from the bottom of the cloud into freezing air at the top. Downdrafts move ice particles lower into warmer air. Negatively charged electrons build upon the falling ice as it passes the water droplets. In time, the storm cloud becomes negatively charged at the bottom and positively charged on top. When the negative charge builds up enough, a huge number of electrons jump through the air, looking for something that conducts electricity. The ground, a tree, a lightning rod. We see that discharge as a flash of lightning. Lightning zips along at 40 miles a second. The center of that lightning bolt is only about as thick as a pencil, but it packs so much energy that it can melt rock or metal and set wood ablaze. An average lightning bolt has enough electricity to run the appliances in your house for a couple of days. But all that electricity arrives at once, at 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It would melt anything you tried to use to collect it. Thunder is the sound of lightning. Each bolt superheats the air around it to 18,000 degrees Fahrenheit in less than a second. The superhot air instantly expands, sending out a shock wave that we hear as thunder. The farther away lightning strikes, the deeper the sound of the thunder, and the longer it takes to get to you. That's because light travels much faster than sound. In fact, you count the delay between the lightning and the thunder, you can tell approximately how far away the lightning is. About a mile for every 5 seconds. Lightning around the world. Between 1,500 and 2,000 thunderstorms are crackling and booming around the world at this very moment. Scientists estimate that lightning strikes somewhere on Earth about 100 times every second. Where does it strike most often? Lightning zaps the remote mountain village of Kifuka in Central Africa nearly every day. There, air masses from the Atlantic Ocean collide with cooler mountain air, making lots of thunderstorms. The Himalayas are another lightning hotspot. In the United States, the best place to spot lightning is Florida. Warm air from the Gulf of Mexico banging into the cool air from the Atlantic Ocean creates lightning almost daily across the Sunshine State. Places with very stable weather get the least lightning. The Arctic and Antarctica have almost no thunderstorms because their air is about the same temperature everywhere. Lightning is also uncommon far out over the ocean, away from land for the same reason. This map shows how often lightning strikes different places around the world. Darker areas get more. Lightning safety. Because of its unpredictability and power, lightning can be extremely dangerous. If you're caught outside during a lightning storm, you don't stand under a tree or lie flat in the open. Instead, crouch down with your hands and your head tucked close, but not touching the ground, and your feet close together. This makes you less of a conductor for any bolts that strike near you. Rubber-soled shoes are no protection. If lightning can zap through miles of air, which is an excellent insulator, your favorite trainers won't stop it either. If you can, try to get inside a car or building. You're safe inside the car because electricity will travel over the metal surface instead of through the interior. In buildings, stay away from metal faucets and telephones connected to the wall. Lightning can travel through pipes and wires. Then, once you're safe inside, look out and enjoy the awesome beauty of Earth's electricity. Make sure in this blank space right here, you go ahead and write your genre-based thinking job.